Starting your own consulting firm might seem daunting, but with the right steps, it can be a rewarding journey. If you're ready to discuss the world of consulting, let's break it down into manageable steps. First things first, identify your niche. What unique skills or experiences do you have that others might need? This is your chance to specialize and offer something that not everyone else does. Whether it's marketing, IT, or finance, knowing your niche is crucial. Next, it's all about planning. Before you jump in, have a clear business plan. Think about your target market, pricing, and how you'll reach potential clients. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it should guide your decisions. Remember, at legalregistration.com, we're here to help with setting up your business structure. Now, let's talk about the legal stuff. You'll need to register your business, and that's where legalregistration.com comes in handy. We're here to make the process simple, whether you're setting up an LLC or another business type. And don't forget, you might need licenses or permits depending on your area and industry. Building a brand is your next mission. This goes beyond just a logo. It's about how you communicate and connect with your audience. What makes you different? How do you solve problems? Having a strong online presence is key. So consider a professional website and active social media profiles. Don't underestimate the value of creating a strong portfolio or case studies showcasing your expertise. Potential clients will want to see examples of how you've solved similar problems in the past. Highlight measurable results such as improved efficiency, cost savings, or growth achieved for previous clients. This helps establish trust and demonstrates your value. Networking is powerful. Start by reaching out to your existing connections. Let them know what you're up to, and don't be shy about asking for referrals. Join professional groups or attend industry events. The more you connect, the more opportunities will come your way. Pricing your services can be tricky, but it's important to get it right. Research what others in your field charge, but also consider your own value. Don't undervalue yourself just to win clients. It might take some time, but finding the right balance is key. Finally, deliver amazing service. Your reputation will grow through word of mouth, so always aim to exceed expectations. Happy clients are your best marketing tool, so keep them satisfied and engaged. And there you have it, a simple guide to starting your consulting firm. Remember, legalregistration.com is here to support you every step of the way. If you have any questions or need guidance, visit legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111. Good luck on your consulting journey.